Okay, sorry for the again inconvenience. It was network issue. Okay, so fine. So the last comparison we are studying, R1 value is going to be 9. Okay, so as of now it's 8. Let's continue. It will be 9. Yes, we can see R4 value will be 9 and R1 is out of this array range. Okay, see, you can see now. Now it is in the different area. Don't worry about it. Now what happens? Comparison. A in the one side, which is present in the R2 and R4 consisting of 9. Whether A and 9 comparison, here A is same. In the place of 8, we got a 9. Is A greater than 9? Yes. So A is greater than 9. So it will go to loop 1. So line number 9, 10 directly to 13. Okay, 9, 10 directly to 13. Now you subtract R5. Right now it is 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Okay, so it will not go back to loop. You can see here. It will not go back to loop. Now is a new entity. See, what is the line number 17 and 18 will do? Line number 17 will take a address of result. Now, if I execute, I have to pause. I have to discuss. What is R4? R4 is 9. I can lose the data there because I have got answer in R2. Please remember, R4 is that. Okay, now what I'll do, you can even though you can use R6 or R7, which are free. Okay, now what I will do, I will get the value. Can you see the new result? Address of result. That's a 4 with a 7 zeros. I will go to view, memory. I will select a second. Okay. Here you see, this is a procedure. Again, I will click in here. So I have typed 4 with the 7 zeros. So what is there already? Nothing. 0, 0, 0. So what I should store because of a line number 18? In the position of R4, whatever is in a R2 that I have to store. What is there in a R2? AAA, that will be printed here. You can see there is nothing in the position. So that is going to return with AAA, which is a biggest among the array. Is it clear? Okay, let's go for the modification of the program. Just one instruction. In the place of 10, in the instruction 10, in place of BHI, you go for BLS. Branch if lesser. Only these two alphabets we have to change. Branch if lesser. That's it. If you change, you will get a this one, smaller number. Okay. So what I suggest everyone, hoping that internet will be good for our present discussion. So please go on giving the answers fast in the chat box. Okay. So now with the knowledge whatever you have got so far, right? Okay, let's see whether it's a BLS. Okay, correct. Now question number 1, what is the R5? 6, no problem. Okay, what is R1? Okay, 3C. I will show that in the memory window. 3C. Okay, see the numbers are in normal black. That means not yet accessed. Once you access, they change their color to red. Okay, so now what is the line number 6 answer of R2? Please go on giving the answer in chat box. What will be the answer of R2? Or value in the R2 is going to be? Right now it is 0. Next, post execution of this instruction. Yes, you are right. Correct. Okay. Also try to give the answer for R1. R1 answer. No. 3C plus 4. It's going to be 40. You are right. So answer of R1 is 40. Answer of R2 is 444. Right? So R2. Loop starts. The loop. What is the answer will be in the R4? What will be the value of R4? Line number 8. Line number 8, R4 answer. You can take help of this window. Yes, you are right. So fine. What will be the R1 answer also? You you have to type answer for the resistors in the two lines. Sorry, two resistors in the same line of 8. Okay, so correct. R1 will be 44, R4 will be 2222. Let's see. R1 is 44, R4 is 22. Next, comparison. Okay, now what you are expecting? Lesser. First number lesser than second number. Is first number 4 lesser than second number? Is 4 lesser than second number? No. So no means what? Should line number 11 execute or should line number 13 execute? This is very important. Please mention line number in the chat box. 11 or 13. Yes, Santosh is right. Line number 11 will execute. Correct. Okay. See now. Yes, this yellow, which is a program counter, is pointing for line number 11. So what is we are going to lose and what will be new reference? What we are going to lose, whether we are going to lose 444 or 222, what we are going to lose? Make it fast. We are going to lose 444 because we want smaller as a reference. Yes, so smaller. What is maintained is 222 is maintained. Hence R2 will also become 222, R4 will also become 22. You can see now. Here you see 22 is the reference because we are searching for lesser, right? Loop 1. So this part I will make it fast execution. Okay. So because you know the meaning of loop 1, so that's done. Next, again we entering the loop, line number 8. Okay, what will be the new R4? What will be the new R4? What will be the new R4? What will be the new R1? Type in the chat box, new R4 and new R1. Take help of this part and here. New R4. New R4 will be 1, right? New R1 will be 48. Okay, new R4 will be 1. Yes, you are right. R1 is 48, R4 is 1. Okay, so now you see the question, very important. Is 2 lesser than 1? Is 2 lesser than 1? Is 2 lesser than 1? No. So if yes, it would went for loop 1. Since it is not lesser, so it will go to line number 11 again. I repeat, line number 11 again. You can see line number 11. So what we are going to lose and what we are going to take a reference future. What is going to be lost? Lost data will be 2222. Reference data will be 1111. Okay. So 2 is the lost data. Yes, we have lost 2 from this window. Reference is 1111. Right. Okay. Next, this loop 1, please, I will move fast because you know that R5 minus and compare. That's it. Next time, what will be the next R4 and R1? Line number 8. Next R4 and next R1. 48 plus 4. That's a 4C. 48 plus 4, that's a 4C. And R4 will be 33333. Okay. R4 will be 333. 48 plus 4 is 4C. So now what we are comparing? Comparison. Sorry, not A, 1. I have to change the sign. I hope you can see where I am modifying. I am using reduction, sorry, this symbol. What is that? Lesser symbol. 1 lesser than 3. Is it right? Is it lesser? Is 1 lesser than 3? Yes. So condition is followed. 1 lesser than 3. Okay. So condition is followed means go to loop 1. Loop 1 means what? Simply reduce the value of R5. What is R5 right now? 4. That reduces to 3. You can see here. Observe. Okay. Now, so what we are going to lose is 3333. So in that place, we are going to get a new value. You can see. Okay. So next time loop enters because some more comparisons are there. So should I lose 3 or 1? What is the data we are going to lose? 1111 or 3333? Which data we should lose is 3. You are right. Because small reference is what? 1. That is fixed. Okay, right now. So what is there from 4C? You can see here. 4C is capital AAA. That we have to take in R4. You are getting here R4 got capital A. Capital A comparing against 1. So is 1 less than capital A. Sorry, here I should write. Is 1 less than capital A? Is 1 less than capital A? Yes, it's a lesser. So go to loop 1. What is there in a loop 1? Simply reduce the counter number of comparisons. See, no exchange. Okay, there is no exchange. Rohit. Okay, so I'm going to lose A. Only 1 will remain, that is 1. Okay, see, 1 with 1 is remaining now. So next time when I enter a loop, I have to lose or I have to delete A. Instead of A, what I have to take? 8. Whether that happens, let's see. A should come, sorry, R4 should get 8 and it should forget A. Yes, 8. Okay. So is 1 and 8 comparison. Is 1 less than 8? Yes. So again go to loop 1. So what is not executing here is move. That's the line number 11 is not executed. We can see now directly it will go to line number 13. Yes, program counter has moved from 13th, moved to 13th line. So 2 more comparisons, that changes to 1 comparison. 1 more is remaining. That's what 1 and 9. Those are the comparisons remaining. Okay, now, so since 1 more comparison there, again we have to go back to loop. So what will be the new R4 and new R1? Can you give? Don't worry about R1 because it is going beyond the array. Sonali, okay. R1, sorry, R1 is going beyond the array, like how I have wrote. Don't worry about that. Okay, right. Present R1 will be loaded with R4. So present R1 is at pointing at 999. So here on the R4, I will get 999. I hope you can see R4 got a 999. 9 comparing with 1. Is 1 less than 9? Yes. 1 lesser than 9. So it will go to loop 1. What is there in the loop 1? Decrement. So now R5 is 0 and we are comparing against 0. Both are equal. We are expecting not equal. If it was not equal, then it would have went back to 8th line. But here at this time, it is 0. So it will not go to line number previous or loop. Instead, it will go to line number 17. We can see now. Okay, sorry, subtraction. And here is the line number 17. What is there in line number 17? Get the address of result. So what is the result address? 400. So in the memory window 2, I have typed 0x4 followed by 7 times 0. What I observe here is there is nothing at right now. So what I should store there? Whatever is present in the R2. What is present in the R2 is 111. So that I am going to store in this area. Okay, here you can see what is their initially result? 0. That is going to get whatever is in the R2. Store or whatever is in R2 pointed by R4. Okay, here. Now you can see 0, 0. In the next step, 111 in some green color. You can see. I hope you can see 1, some green or yellow color. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so now what is a program here? Program is for, see in the examination, you may get a both. If you get this problem, you have to execute both cases just by changing this instruction BHI to BLS. Okay, so what is this program is? It will take an array of 32-bit numbers. Okay, 32-bit numbers, and it will find one time biggest number and one time smallest number, and biggest number is also stored. Second time smallest number is also stored. Okay, so hope it is clear now for all. So any confusions or any doubts, you can discuss. Sorry for the inconvenience happened during the, from my side. Okay. So if it is clear, you can go for giving your attendance and leave the session. Any doubts, we can discuss also.